Hello, welcome back again. We're right here at Kigali Convention Center, specifically for the Africa Health Tech Summit 2025, whereby very many people across Africa are coming to join this workshop. There are many businesses across Africa are showcasing their businesses on the Health Tech Summit, where they are using artificial intelligence and also technology to advance the health system and also the services at general. So we're talking to some of the businesses who are showcasing what they do to understand their innovative solutions that they are bringing on the table. Stay with us. Hello,
Hi,
how are you doing?
I'm fine.
What is your name?
My name is Praise Oliataja.
What business are you showcasing?
Okay, so I'm showcasing cardiac tech today. So cardiac tech is an AI-powered platform for cardiovascular diseases. So this cardiac tech analyzes ECG and gives diagnostic precisions.
I'm Narissa Naika from Vola Medical. So I'm showcasing Vola Medical, which is a healthcare app that connects healthcare workers to one another for referrals. So as GP or a nurse can refer through to a specialist in a Pacific hospital and get the right advice on how to treat the patient in their facility if necessary, or if necessary, send the patient through to the facility.
My name is Byiringiro Emmanuel. Yeah, I do work with the Shield DMC company. It's a travel and tour agency. We are basically located here in Kigali. The reason why we're here actually, this is a health and tech summit whereby there are many foreigners who have come in Kigali for the first time. So we are here actually to reach out to them and sell out our services to them.
My name is Dr. Fatma Omar, and I'm the Chief Operations Officer of HealthX Africa. We're a digital healthcare company offering primary healthcare to underserved and uninsured communities with an aim of bridging the patient to doctor gap.
What motivated you to attend African Health Summit 2025?
Okay, so what motivated me was the health tech aspect because I'm a health tech enthusiast. Anything that has to do with health, I'm passionate about health, and I'm also a software engineer. So the two combined, it's like that's my field. So that's why I'm passionate about health tech. So that motivated me to come to the Health Tech Summit. And my school also sponsored me to come to the Health Tech Summit. So that's why I'm here.
What is your school?
I go to school at the African Leadership University in Rwanda here in Kigali. And it's an amazing school.
So it was an amazing opportunity. Vola is mainly in South Africa. We're expanding into Nigeria, Lesotho, Swaziland, and we saw a good opportunity to actually come through to Rwanda. We also have an amazing investor called Steel, which gave us this opportunity to connect with amazing delegates from around the world. And we thought this would be a great place to start to get the name across in Rwanda in itself.
Our goal is to collaborate with system partners and investors who are just as passionate as us in advancing primary healthcare through digital solutions. We believe that no human being, and even Kenyan for that reason, should not be able to access care simply because they can't afford it. And we are hoping to meet investors and collaborators who are keen on advancing this mission just as us.
So what is the problem or innovation are you guys solving?
As I already told you, this is a travel and tour company whereby we do help our clients we're actually selling them packages whereby we're trying to sell Rwanda. Many people who have come here, many of them, they don't have the experience whereby they don't know what Rwanda is all about. We are here to give them that knowledge, to show them what Rwanda is all about. We know we have volcanoes. We do actually, as already shown you, we do a city tour, we do game drive, do hiking, canopy walk, even a waterfall experience in Nyungwe. So we are actually here to tell them that Rwanda is a very good place to visit, and by doing that, we're actually earning something for ourselves, also selling something for the country.
So it's a healthcare startup app that actually connects healthcare workers. So it's for the healthcare workers within public or private sectors to connect them to one another.
The problem I'm solving is how we don't have a lot of specialists in Africa. So actually, when I was doing that research, I realized that the ratio of a doctor to a patient in the whole region of Africa is one doctor to 10,000 patients, and that's too much. So, and I went further to analyze the specialist ratio. So for cardiologists, it was like one cardiologist to 1.2 billion people, and I was like, so we have only 600,000 people for one cardiologist, and that was amazing. So I was thinking of um, how to use AI to overcome that shortcoming in the Africa and in the health system.
Wow, that's so amazing. So, like, what kind of feedback have you been getting from the people who are visiting your business?
It's innovative, as in using AI to actually solve health problems is one of the best things we have for Africa. We shouldn't see it as a black box in Africa, because AI is actually solving problems for us in Africa. So they encouraged me to continue innovating as to find how AI can actually help the African health ecosystem.
I think the biggest is people are very surprised about the patient to doctor gap. And interestingly, because most healthcare facilities concentrate on the insured minority, who are about less than 7% in Africa, we focus on the underserved and uninsured, and I think a lot of people are very surprised by that.
Many of the clients that we've tried to reach out to them, they are liking they are liking the experience. They are actually saying that tomorrow or the next day after the event, they're actually going for the visit.
So Vola is quite well known in South Africa, and that not so much in Rwanda, but a lot of people like it. We have over 41,000 registered healthcare workers with over 2.5 million referrals and over 76 different types of specializations. And it's really helped them in not just in their workload, but helping the patients get the right care. And also, all our referrals, we get data. And you can always have data to motivate for changes within a healthcare facility to help improve patient care in itself. So we're just looking at finding ways to make the healthcare burden less on specifically public and also in private if necessary.
So, like, what is the kind of partnership are you guys hoping to get from this conference or workshop?
I think its partnership is to engage to different people, from integrations, because we are an app as well, to see what we can do, but also to meet people that want different startups, to see where we can go. We're not necessarily a startup because we have been around for 11 years, but we can also engage with different startups in itself. So it's about connecting or networking in itself to see where we can go and the different avenues we can use to get there.
I'm looking forward to MOH collaborating.
Really?
Oh yes! Wow. And I also love eFish, because this what I'm building is more of like an API which can be integrated into health electronic record systems just for analyzing data. So it has to do with predictive analytics. So it doesn't just collect data, but it also analyzes the data that's coming in, analyzes the data on the patient's health. So this is also good for the health record system. So, and I'm also looking forward to ABC Health. Like, a lot of them are on my mind, like Global Health, even Gates Foundation. Looking at it, I really want to have this connection. I want the health ecosystem to be part of what I'm doing.
Yes, definitely. We would love to advance conversations about how we can scale solutions that diversify and make it easy to access primary health care, not just in Kenya, but in the rest of Africa. Yeah.
So, as we are ending, may you kindly drop a message to the organizers of this Africa Health Summit 2025?
Okay, I think they're doing a fantastic job. The event has been very well structured, well organized, and we thank them for the exposure they are giving to startups such as us. And of course, a special mention to our partner ADHN, who facilitated this conference for us.
I think it's an amazing conference. I think it brings so many different people together, and I think it connects people from people who are starting to people who are already established, and that's important to grow also the small business companies as well, because everything has to evolve. Networks have to evolve for people to get the best people, our communities involved as well. So thank you for an amazing conference.
The message I can give them, first of all, I would like to thank them for this kind of opportunity. it helps us as the entrepreneurs to actually do some kind of business, and also reaching out to them to make this an annual thing whereby it will be coming in annually.
You guys are doing an amazing job. Like the organization, what you are doing, it's actually amazing, and also bringing us the youth into the summit was very encouraging to us, because we are innovating in tech, and it's not always, we don't always find encouragement from organizations to innovate in health with tech, and also applying AI in healthcare. And this is an amazing opportunity to find out the problems in healthcare and how technology can also help solve those problems. And I'm just saying thank you, bravo. We appreciate you, and we hope that you continue to organize these initiatives for us, and also particularly for the youth, so that we can also brainstorm more innovations. I'm just so grateful and encouraged and motivated to continue.
Thank you, dear.
Thank you. Thank you too.